Today we are inside my Webull account. The time has come and we are going to spin the Apple wheel in this video. I am going to not claim all the rewards. I'm just going to spin the Apple wheel first, and then after that, I'll claim the rest of the shares. So I just want to be 100% transparent with you guys and let you guys know that I am depositing $105 every month into this account because I am going to be buying Vanguard's VOO every stock trading day with $5. There are 250 trading days in the year. So if I multiply 250 times $5, that's $1,250 annually that I will be investing in this account. And if you divide that by 12, you get $105. This account is to show you guys that investing is not difficult. I want to show you guys what I'm doing with my accounts. The goal is to reach $1,000, which we have done already. The second goal is to reach $10,000. The third goal, $100,000. And the grand finale is to reach $1 million. I have no doubt in my mind that we will get there. After using the Webull app for about a month, I am starting to realize that this is a great brokerage in the sense that they give you a lot of free stock through their referral program, and anyone can do this. If you're interested in signing up for Webull, the link is in the description below. If you guys sign up with my link, you can get up to 12 free fractional shares. I've seen a Webull advertisement. If you sign up on your own, I think it's up to 6 shares. Either way, I just want you guys to start investing so you can get your feet wet and realize that it is not scary to invest and it's not that hard. I'm only depositing $5 a day because I think that is a reasonable amount for anyone to start off investing. In the past, I have deposited way more money than that, and that is how I reached my financial independence. I was depositing over 80% of my paycheck so that way I can retire early and enjoy my time with my family. Whether you want to invest $5 a day, you decide how much your budget allows you to invest. And anyone can do exactly what I'm doing. You can sign up for Webull. You can get your referral code and you can refer people and get free stocks. The account is growing and I'm realizing that it will probably reach $1 million because I'm hustling and I'm getting people to sign up for Webull. However, I am also providing videos and showing my account so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm being fully transparent in the sense that I'm getting free shares from the people that I'm signing up. $5 every day, every trading day will turn into $1 million. It will take 45 years. The cool thing about Webull is their referral program. That is what is going to get this account to $1 million a lot faster. If you're a hustler and if you get people to sign up, then you will increase your account's value. And with this promotion, spinning the Apple wheel, I immediately got $814 of free shares from Webull. So now we're going to spin it for the second time because I got more people to sign up. And I'm hoping that the people that I'm signing up are going to watch the channel and start their investing journey. I think that there's a lot of people who think the stock market is risky, the stock market is a scam and things like that. But everyone is already investing in the stock market, whether they like to or not, because through your retirement plan or your 401k, any of those things, they invest the money in the stock market. So it's all connected. So you're already investing in the stock market. The individual stock brokerage account is just an independent account from your 401k, from your retirement. This is an account that is your personal account that you can access whenever you like. But there are short-term capital gains and long-term capital gains depending on when you pull the money out. I invest for the long term. I'm not trying to get rich quick, and I'm not trying to pull out the money right away the next day. I'm investing for 5, 10, 15 years. That's why I'm not worried about, hey, am I going to make a quick buck in a year, 2 years, 3 years? I'm not thinking about that. I'm not day trading. I'm not pumping crypto or pumping meme stocks. All I'm saying is what Warren Buffett says. And he says, invest in the S&P 500 and you will build up your portfolio and your net worth, and you'll most likely get an average rate of return of 7 to 10%. That is why all I'm doing for this account is buying VOO, which is Vanguard's total market index fund. So you see, investing is fairly simple as far as setting it up because I don't have to touch the account anymore. All I did was set up automatic deposits of $105 and automatic reoccurring investments of $5 a day buying Vanguard. So setting the account up is done. Like, I do not have to put in any more work, and all I'm doing is giving you guys account updates, and we're watching the account grow. I just want to help people out who are interested in learning how to invest and might have that fear of investing. So by seeing my account, then maybe that will help them decide whether they want to do it or not. And then from that point, you can decide how much you want to invest. There's no maximum or minimum. If you just want to put in $20 a month, you can do that as well. You can calculate how much $20 a month is going to turn into, and then at that point decide what you want to do. So going into investing, you want to have a goal. Just like I've set my goals up for this account, you want to have your own goal. An investment account can be a tool to help you save up money and build up the account to then later on pull that money out and do whatever you want with it. So hopefully you guys can follow along this journey and see that the account is growing little by little. Either way, I'm just trying to debunk that the stock market is this scary thing that's going to lose money and all that. Granted, the account could go down X amount of percent, but if you're investing for the long run, then it won't really matter, because in 2 or 3 years, it will just go back to where it was and then increase even more after that. That being said, you have to invest with money that you're willing to put into the market. And this is your individual account, so you could do whatever you want with it. Anyways, guys, let's get to the fun part. Let's spin that Apple wheel and see how many free shares I'm going to get. And that's going to just get us one step closer to reaching the goal of $10,000. I'm going to pull it up on my phone and we are going to spin the Apple wheel. It's going to be exciting. Let's do it. Okay, we are inside the Webull app on my cell phone. We are going to spin the Apple wheel. So right away, I'm just going to click on the Apple wheel at the very top. Congratulations, you have completed 7 successful referrals. Tap below to spin the wheel now. And let's do it. Oh man, I'm excited, guys. 20 shares, baby. Come on, let's go. It's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. 1 share. Hey guys, 1 share, I'll take it. You know, the first time I spun the wheel, I accidentally clicked claim all. It claimed all the stock that I had in referrals, and I did not get to physically spin the wheel. Today we got to spin the wheel. I got 1 share. I'm happy with that. It's $152. And I also received free fractional shares. So I'm going to go back to the promotion center, and I'm just going to click claim and claim all. And then we can see what free fractional shares I also received in addition to spinning the Apple wheel. Okay, congrats, you have successfully claimed 45 bonus. Okay, cool. Let's see what we get. Gap. Okay. Snap, forward, gap, snap, gap, forward, forward, snap, gap, Antero Resources, forward, Genworth Financial, UWMC, another $4 of Apple, $4 of Coca-Cola, snap, Antero Resources, gap, UMC, Coca-Cola, Ford, Genworth Financial, snap, more Coca-Cola, snap, gap, Apple, UMC, GNW, more Apple, Gap, Antero Resources, Snap, Ford, General Financial, Gap, more Apple, Antero Resources, Ford, and Apple. This is why Webull, I think, is a good brokerage for the referral program. Guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult with your financial advisors, your CPAs, and this is just for entertainment purposes. Only, I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing with my account, so that way you guys can see that investing is not scary, and that if you invest for the long term and just buy S&P 500 index funds, your money will grow. The cool thing about Webull is that they have promotions. So I highly suggest you take advantage after signing up of these promotions if that is something you're interested in doing, or if you just simply want to deposit money and invest it, you can also do that as well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. The link is in the description below. You can sign up with Webull, get up to 12 free fractional shares. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys coming in and watching the channel. I'm glad we got to spin the Apple wheel. I am so grateful I got 1 share because I'm just happy that the account's growing and we're moving in a positive direction. The stock market is down right now, so right now we're buying at a discount. So that is good because when the stock market recovers back to its all-time highs, then the account will just also grow. The account might dip down a little bit if we go into a recession or there's a correction or things like that, but I'm not worried about that because I'm a long-term investor. I'm waiting for 2, 3, 4, 5 years. I'm gonna see this account out until it reaches $1 million. Hopefully I can document the entire process, and hopefully I get there a lot sooner. Anyways, guys, take it easy, take care, have a great week. Peace.